There are several types of widgets you can author in Cosmos. These are divided into text, media, and question widgets. First, we'll start with the text widgets. To add a text widget, click the Insert Widget icon that appears above and below the header. Select the text widget from the widget menu, and the widget will appear on your page. Enter your text and highlight it. This will bring up the text editing menu. From here you have the option to bold, italicize, or underline your words. You can create bulleted and numbered lists. You can enter hyperlinks. You can define your words, and you can even turn it into a math equation using LaTeX math. Other text widgets work similarly. Block quotes can highlight quoted text. The math widget allows users to enter LaTeX math equations. The aside widget allows authors to add resources that appear on the side of the page. The teacher note allows you to author content that only appears for the teacher. And the reference resource widget allows you to link your current page to other pages, quizzes, and lessons in your library. Now, we'll take a look at the media widgets. They're pretty straightforward. You can upload images, video, and audio files from your computer to Cosmos. You can set how large you'd like these images and videos to appear as well. The embed widget allows you to paste an embed code that allows users to interact with outside content, like YouTube videos. You can also insert links to other websites, as well as edit the cover on your page. Cosmos also allows you to author a wide variety of questions. We'll briefly review the different options. The multiple choice widget is a basic multiple choice question. Within the widget, you can include an image, audio file, or quote to accompany the question. In addition, the same text editing options that are available in the text widgets are also accessible in the question widgets. If you select the Edit Options button, you'll be brought to a screen where you can edit various values about the question. For example, you have the ability to assign a point value to the question. You have the ability to turn on instant feedback, give a hint to the question taker, and apply standards and labels to the question. You can even enter rationale for correct answers. The image choice widget is similar to the multiple choice widget and simply allows you to include images as answer choices. The Select Multiple widget allows you to assign multiple correct answers to a multiple choice question, and the True and False widget is essentially a multiple choice widget for true and false questions. You can add a text response widget for questions that require longer, free-form text responses that the teacher will have to manually grade. You can also author short answer questions that have a preset answer that can be automatically graded. If you select Edit Options, you can enter different correct responses with different void values and rationales. The Close widget allows you to create a fill-in-the-blank question that can be automatically graded. To do this, type out the entire body of the question, highlight the text you want users to respond to, and click Create Field. Choice matrix questions allow you to author multiple questions and have users respond with a pre-set choice of answers for each one. The response matrix is similar and allows you to author multiple questions and have users respond with text. You can also include annotations questions within a page. The canvas can be empty or set with a background that you can upload. Responders can draw on this canvas with different colors and create text boxes to answer the question. You can also create image and audio upload questions, where the responders will have to upload a picture or record an audio response through Cosmos in order to answer the question.